This video is about how to check the control and access to your Google My Business account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to business.google.com. There are a couple different ways you can access this, but this is usually the most straightforward and easiest way to do it. So you can see one of my profile manager accounts. I have client information redacted, of course. So once you're in here, you'll see the list of profiles that you have access to. Hopefully you should see your businesses and all your business listings in here. You will then click on the See Your Profile next to the appropriate location. Once you click that, you'll be taken to another Google screen where it'll show some business information with a bunch of links. And we are looking for the three dots in the upper right-hand side near the profile strength icon. Once you click that, you'll get a little drop-down menu, and the first item in your drop-down menu is the business profile settings. You will click that, and you will see some of your setting listings, and the first one is people and access, and that's where we're going to go to see who has access to and control who has access. So we go in here, again, you can see I have redacted information, but you can see that my account is set up as the manager and the client is set up as the primary owner, as it should be. So if you go in here and you see yourself as the primary owner, then you know that's great. If you see that another email address that you either own or control as the primary owner, again, not a problem. If you have any employees, agencies, consultants that are set up as the primary owner, you definitely want to work through the process, begin the process of having them transfer the ownership over to you. You always want to make sure that your account that you control and or own is the primary owner for all of these. As the manager, I can't change any of the other primary owners. What I can do is I can revoke my own access if I want to. But other than that, I can't change any other access to the screen, to the profile, and that is actually the way it should be. So again, here's how you access and edit and audit the control of your Google My Business account. Thank you very much. Have a great day.